Guardian likes to fashion itself as a bastion of truth, but its recent coverage of Mahrang Baloch is a masterclass in biased journalism. By providing a global stage to Baloch, the outlet has abandoned integrity for a sanitized narrative that ignores the reality of the Balochistan Liberation Army. They aren't reporting, they're functioning as a megaphone for anti-state propaganda dressed in the language of human rights. The facts the Guardian chose to ignore. Mahrang Baloch is the daughter of Abdul Ghaffar Lango, a documented BLA commander, a globally recognized terrorist organization. Her group, the BYC, maintains a front of peaceful engagement while serving as psychological reinforcement for the BLA's operations. They refuse to condemn the Majid Brigade, the BLA's suicide squad.
पर इस सवाल को रिपीट ना करें प्लीज। कौंसल खाने पे हमला हुआ, आप प्लीज इस सवाल को, आप चीनी कौंसल खाने का हमला कहते हैं तो सबसे पहले आप ये बताएं कि 2006 में बुक थी। मेरा सवाल इतना बुरा तो नहीं था। मेरा सवाल बुरा नहीं है, आप प्लीज मुझे बोलने दें।
Instead, they humanize suicide bombers like Shari Baloch, framing mass murderers as symbols of resistance. The BYC functions as a radicalization nursery, recruiting youth through protests before funneling them to militants. The Guardian published Baloch claims of solitary confinement without fact-checking. Court records show she had medical consultations, legal counsel, and was even acquitted through a functioning judicial process. Political prisoners in crushing isolation don't get acquittals. When a newspaper ignores testimony from former militants confirming the BYC and BLA operate as a unified structure, it becomes complicit. The Guardian has a choice: responsible journalism or acting as a PR wing for terror proxies. Right now, they're choosing the latter.